So you have a Python script that automates manual tasks, and it runs really smoothly in your own terminal. Now you're ready to hand it off to someone on your team so they can self-serve with this new automated process and you can focus on the next fire you're putting out. But what if your teammates aren't techie? The black screen terminal really scares them, and you're not about to code front end for this one script. That's right, you're left running it yourself. Or are you? With Azure Cloud, you can transform your local scripts into slick web UIs that users can interact with. Let's check out how it works. First, open up a new smart form and paste the script. Then, import Azure Cloud's Hacker Forms lib and replace the terminal's inputs with UI-generating commands, such as read file and display file, to get out-of-box widgets. Finally, hit share and see your script deployed in a shareable URL, ready to send out to who needs it. Running is as easy as pressing the start button. No scary terminal, no sensitive code, no outdated version. Add login, easily control permissions, manage files, and much more. Visit AzureCloud.com right now and share your script in minutes.